Hello my pinky pals, welcome back to a video, or welcome if you're new. Welcome across the board anyway. Today we are going to be creating as many doodles from my doodle prompt list as I can in 30 minutes. And I was really shooting for 3 because that was my, I guess, end score the last time we did this. I didn't at all. And I actually filmed this twice because I was not timing myself the first time. So both times I only got 2. And, you know, it's fine. It's not like I have to beat myself every time I do something new. And anyway, so we did 2. They were big ones, kind of. I forget what these are. I feel like this one was like botanical happiness or something like that. I don't know. To be honest, I was kind of wild in when it came to the prompts this month. If you want to join in on the prompts, I have them listed on my Instagram, so I'll put that in the section below in the little description. So if you want to join in, you can. I don't know what I was doing here. I don't know. I just thought it would be cute, like if a like what would make like a plant happy, I guess, is kind of what I was thinking, and that's what I was doing. So that's what I've got going on here, and I just thought it was really cute. I don't know, kind of reminds me of Super Mario Brothers if, like, you know, they looked weird and had some sort of, like, I don't know, genetic disease problem. I don't quite know what these, like, something's definitely wrong with these guys, something's a little off, but I like him anyway. And of course he's happy because there's a little fly that came to visit him, and the fly's like, what are you so happy about, dude? Like, why are you drooling, man? Dude, you should probably get that looked at. Something like that. That's what I assume the fly is thinking right now. So, yeah. I don't have a lot going on this weekend, guys, or this week. I know I usually kind of share some stuff, but I really don't have anything. It's been a boring week, which is a good thing. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, it hasn't been. Family-wise, we had some not great news, but other than that, there's really hasn't been anything going on. And it's Canada, so it's snowy. We're literally in the middle of a blizzard, so fingers crossed I get through this without the hydro going out again. And yeah, so that's just what, you know, it's our usual winter time kind of thing. But yeah, so I'm quick. I don't know if I shade this. Do I shade this? Am I actually taking the time to shade it? No wonder I only got 2 done. Now that I think about it, that was silliness of me. Like, no wonder. Yeah, okay. I don't know what I was doing. I was playing for it to look good. That's the problem. I wasn't playing to win. I was just like, okay, we'll shade. Okay, well, now this explains why I didn't get more than 2. I might have been able to get even more done if I'd done this right. Ugh, well, it is what it is. I do think this is cute, though. You know what, yeah, I pretty much set myself up for failure all around, because this one I shade, and then the next one isn't an easy one either. I wouldn't mind, like, I went fast on this one, so I really wouldn't mind maybe redoing it and kind of giving it the time that it needs, you know, but it is what it is, and I'm fine with it, I guess. But there we go. And it's way smaller than I thought it was going to be. Which, when I sketch things, I tend to draw small and then make it bigger. So that's probably why. But that's it. It looks pretty good. And just a little bit of a background to him there. I don't know why. But there we go. Put him in the middle. And then I think, yeah, I'm going to color the background so it looks intentional. Like, no, I meant to make this thing teeny tiny. Alright, next one. Next is, what do I do? Oh, it's something about books. Some kind of book. So I thought I'm just going to do a book. And I thought I'm going to be fancy and I'm going to do an isometric book. Because I'm fancy. You get where I'm going here. I don't know why I did this. I've been doing a lot of isometric drawings lately. And I haven't really, like, shared them anywhere or anything. I think I've only shared like one. I'm kind of been obsessed with them lately. If it's something that you'd like to see like a tutorial on, well, I mean, you guys, you know that I don't really do tutorials. But if you'd like to see me draw one and try to explain what I'm doing as I'm doing it, I could do that. I don't mind. I think that would be fun. I am also working on a miniature building right now. It's a magical garden, I believe it's called. And it fits in this tiny little jar, and I mean, I've worked on it today for an hour, and I managed to get nothing done. Nothing. I did like a few paper bits. I'm like, well, now I know why they tell you to start with the paper stuff, because they want you to build up your confidence. So that you're sitting there and you're doing it and you have no idea what you're doing, but you're like, no, I got this. Like, I can do this. I got the paper stuff done. Like, surely cutting out the paper and folding it is the hardest part. So I've got this. And that was my first mistake, to be honest, to think that I got this. Well, I mean, I guess the first mistake was buying it, because like I had no business thinking I could do it. But I am filming it. I think I'm going to put it on the channel. It's more crafty, but honestly, I don't want to just be about doodling on my iPad. I would like to do more things. I'd like to do paintings and things like that. But because it's something... Oh, here I thought, you know what? So I was thinking a gummy berry book. I've been watching Gummy Bears lately. Anyway. Then I was like, no, be generic. Go with the heart. Why? I don't know. I think because I thought if I did the bear, then I needed to do something else. So, I don't know what, but I felt like it needed to be more then. And then I still felt like it needed to be more, so I added the little bookmark. But anyway. Oh, here I was like, maybe I'll be fancy. And then I think I'm like, no. Oh, do I stick with it? No, yeah, I got rid of it. I didn't even want to be fancy. I was like, you have 12 minutes. Get this done. But yeah, so I bought a miniature, and it's like a DIY kit. Like, it has like instructions on how to do it. This is not just me thinking that I can handle making some kind of miniature kit thing. It's me getting a kit off Amazon because I was buying stuff for my nephew, saw it and thought it looked fun. Why I thought that, I don't know. But I have it. I'm filming it an hour, and I got like 2 books done. So yeah, I think I will show it on the channel, but it may not be like a Sunday video. I might maybe do like a bonus video 1 month. I don't know if I ever finish it. We'll see. And yeah, because I know that most people come here for like, you know, multiple doodles or just doodles in general, and I don't want people to think that I'm like changing up what I do, because it is essentially a drawing channel, and I don't want to like, you know, rock the boat too much for the people who are here, so they're not like, what the heck are you doing now, lady? But I do want to try new things. So are you gonna put the, like, I'm missing line art, and it's kind of driving me insane here. Put the corners on the book. Yep. And there's one below. Oh yeah, the heart. Yeah, don't forget the heart. I'm the worst at making hearts. Okay, now there's the corner, the bottom right corner. Are you gonna get that? You're painting, you're coloring, Alicia. This is why I don't know how other artists can do like the voiceovers without like rage quitting on themselves, because I want to just toss down this microphone and be like, for crying out loud. I don't understand how I can sit here and I can see that you clearly did not put the corner in, but you're coloring right by it, so you see it. How is this not bothering you at the time of drawing it? I don't get it. But apparently it doesn't bother me, so I guess I won't let it bother me right now. Hopefully that gets done. I feel like I need to check the finished piece to be like, did I actually ever finish it? Anyway, oh, here we go. I'm going to be coloring them. That'll be what makes me think, hey, this doesn't have a corner. There we go. All right, I guess I can live with that. Yeah, so I have the miniature thing. I'm working on it. Like I said, I did not get very far in an hour, so this will be a, like, take me forever job. And then I think it might just be a bonus video. Most of my videos, to be honest, I don't spend a huge amount. Yeah, see, now I'm like, oh, look at that there. Am I not going to color that? Or like line that? We're gonna line that, right? Yeah, we're gonna line that. Okay. So yeah, I don't know. I'm having a lot of fun still, but it's at that very early stage where it's like the kids building your confidence. Like, yeah, you can put a book together. Good job, good job. Yeah, here's a desk, you know? So we'll see. But I do kind of want to finish the whole set. There's like a bunch of them and they're all magic-y. And I think it would be really cool to make more than one set. Some of them, though, are very, like, Harry Potter-y, and I didn't want Harry Potter, but I did want magic, if that makes sense. But now it's also, like, is anything magical not Harry Potter? Like, it always kind of has that vibe now. Maybe that's the problem in my brain. I don't know. But I thought it was really cool. And they're cute. Like, they're tiny. Like, guys, they are so tiny. Like, itty-bitty baby tiny. And I had no idea. So if anyone's ever done like miniatures before, you know, any advice that you might have, please let me know. I did get a toolkit. I have been using my tweezers. Like, I'm sure that if I do post the video, people are just gonna cringe at how bad I am, and like I'm using the tweezers in the wrong way, and I'm using like definitely not the safest of people too. I'm like, I don't know if I should have an X-Acto knife, but I guess that's where I am in life. So here we go, X-Acto knife away. But yeah. So it was pretty clear about this time, I think, that I wasn't going to be able to finish another one. So I think that's why I decided to like shade this and try and make it look better than it is. Yeah. I started out with like, make it quick so I can get 2 more done. And then I ended up with kind of like a crummy outline. And then I'm like, well, make it, shade it so it looks better. And I don't know why. I don't really shade anything either. So, but that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do, you know, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.